Hello guys, I'm very glad to see you here on my channel. Today we have finished Unit 1. Thank you for your following after me and doing exercises and doing tasks and of course making practice. And the knowledge that I give you will help you to learn more and to take a good knowledge in the future. I just say you not to stop and continue to do. Сонымен біз бүгін ревью сабағына келдік. Unit 1 бітті. Бүгін task жұмыстарын жасаймыз. Exercise 1, this is vocabulary. We need to match numbers with letters. 1. Bus pass. 2. ID card. 3. MP3 player. 4. Key ring. 5. Mobile phone. So we finished exercise 1. Exercise 2, we need to complete the sentences with the words in the box. So let's do. Number 1. Do you play in a group? I don't read magazines. 3. It's against the rule to take the photos. 4. You always surf the internet. 5. I go shopping at the weekend. 6. When do you listen to music? So we have finished exercise 2. Let's do exercise 3. This is language focus. Let's do. Number 1. He collects things. 2. I don't go swimming. 3. You don't meet friends after school. 4. He doesn't surf the internet in the evening. 5. They listen to hip-hop. 6. We watch DVDs in English. So, we have done. Exercise 4. We need to write the present simple sentences using the adverb of frequency. Now, let's start. Number 1. I sometimes play football at the weekend. 2. I always walk to school. 3. I often meet friends on Saturday. 4. I usually go swimming on Sundays. 5. I hardly ever go to the cinema. 6. I never listen to music at school. So we have done exercise 4. Let's start exercise 5. We need to write present simple question and you need to give short answers. Number 1. Do you like rock music? Yes, I do. No, I don't. 2. Do your friends wear sunglasses? Yes, they do. No, they don't. 3. Does your teacher use a laptop in class? Yes, she does. No, she doesn't. 4. Do you live in Europe? Yes, I do. No, I don't. 5. Do your friends live near you? No, they don't. Yes, they do. 6. Do you carry an ID card at school? Yes, I do. No, I don't. So we have done exercise 5. Let's do exercise 6, completing the present simple question here too. So let's do. Number 1. What languages do you study? I study French and English languages. 2. Where do you keep your money? I keep my money in the card and in my purse. 3. When do you arrive at school every morning? I arrive at school at 7 a.m. every morning. 4. Who do you call on your mobile phone? 5. When do you go to bed? I usually go to bed at 10 o'clock every evening. So we have done exercise 6. Let's do exercise 7. We need to match numbers with letters. Let's do. I'm really into hip-hop. It means I like it. 2. I can't stand hip-hop. 3. I'm a big fan of hip-hop. 4. I'm not even keen on hip-hop. 5. I love listening to hip-hop. So we have finished exercise 7. Let's do exercise 8. This is listening. You need to listen to the dialogue, then do it with your teacher. So here we couldn't do it. We came to the next page. This is page 21. Exercise 1. Read the text, then match paragraph 1 and 4 with photo A and D. My collection for 2100 by Timur Ahmadiev. Number 1. So this is D. Number 2. Number 2 is C. 3 is A. The last one is 4 is B. So we have done exercise 1 and exercise 2. Make a poster of your collection for the future. Follow the steps in the project checklist. Number 1. Өзіңіз жинақ жасайсыз. Сол жинаққа 4 затты ойлап қоясыз. Бір объект немесе танымал адамдар жайлы ойлайсыз. Бұл жерде таңдаған өз идеяңыз жазсаңыз болады, немесе идеяны алсаңыз болады. Күнделікті жасайтын әрекеттер, болмаса оқитын кітап, болмаса атақты адамдардың, олардың не ұнатады, сол жайлы, отбасыңыздың бір мүшесі жайлы, өзіңіздің иелігіңіздегі зат жайлы, тамақ жайлы, сусын жайлы алсаңыз болады. 2. Number 2. Өзіңіздің фотоңызды, немесе адамның, немесе заттың интернет арқылы алынған фотосын алып пайдаланасыз. 3. Бірінші жаттығудағыдай кішкене қысқаша анықтама беріп кетесіз осы таңда болған 4 сатыңызға. 4. Текстпенен фотоны бір-біріне жапсырып қоясыз бір қағазға. Соған тақырыбыңызды және өзіңіздің атыңызды жазасыз. Бұл сізге арналған жоба жұмысы. So we have done exercise 2. Now let's do last one. This exercise 3. Үшінші жаттығу бұл өзіңіздің жасап келген жұмысыңызды басқа бір оқушының жұмысымен алмастырасыз. Қайсысы қызықты жинақ жасаған екен. So we have finished our lesson for today. I could say thank you for doing exercise with me, making a review, and be ready for the next unit. To see you on my next video. So be ready for this. And now I say goodbye.